Welcome Android users. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to customize your browsing experience by enabling JavaScript on your Android phone. Whether you want to unlock interactive features on websites or enhance functionality, let's dive in. Step 1. Open your browser, unlock your Android device, locate the browser icon, usually labeled as Chrome or another browser you use. Step 2. Access browser settings. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner to access the menu. Select Settings from the menu. Step 3. Enable JavaScript. Scroll down to find Site Settings or a similar option, look for JavaScript and tap on it. Toggle the switch to the right to enable JavaScript. You've learned how to enable JavaScript on Android. Now enjoy dynamic websites and interactive content. Remember, JavaScript makes the web come alive.